Hey, what's up everybody? So here we are at one of our single family lots. Wow. We're having it cleared right now. A lot of overgrowth, as you can see. That tree fell down. So anyway, got somebody dumping on our property. Yeah, so we're building a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house here. We don't do a lot of single family, but we had this lot in our inventory, so it makes sense to go ahead and just finish it out. It will be affordable housing in the sense of affordable to someone that makes 80% or less of the area median income. We're in Atlanta. This is actually a nicer area. I'm not huge houses, but everybody's pretty comfortable here. I'd say that the median is about 400, 450 in this area. It's the Peyton Forest area of Atlanta. But anyway, so the house is gonna go in the middle, but we got a decent lot, about half an acre here. And yeah, we're getting it done, getting ready to we got the plans already drawn up on this one. We're gonna be getting the permits, obviously, after we get the plans and knocking everything out. But this is the tree that fell. Just natural causes. Alright, looks like there's some more dumped stuff back here. That's the thing about a lot. You gotta keep it clear, and you gotta keep it mowed, or else people will start dumping on it. So that's why we're clearing it now, and they're moving a lot of dirt, as you can see. Hopefully we can move some of that dirt into the middle, level it out. But right now the lot looks pretty good. It's pretty level, pretty straightforward. I'm real happy with our progress and finally getting started on this. So pretty cool. Always great to see progress. Real estate takes time, so you got to be real patient with it. But then it seems like it just kind of goes all at once. So I love real estate, and try to tell everybody, get involved somehow. You're involved whether you want to be or not, because you have a mortgage or you have rent, so you're involved in real estate. But get on the winning side of it. So once again, building the house here. This is something simple that people can do as a side hustle, as a part-time job. It's just to build a house. You can build a house a year and make a decent amount of money, kind of replace a salary or add an extra salary. So it's something to think about. It's not too difficult to do. You have a team that does everything for you, from the GC to the architect to the engineer. So it's something to think about, even if you just want to build for yourself. It's a real cool situation. But anyway, appreciate you guys, and I'll be back on the next one. Bye. Hey, what's up everybody? So here we are, 24 hours the day after, and as you can see, we finished the clearing. Now you can kind of walk around it. Looks like a dirt bike type place or what have you. Still got this tree down. I'm trying to make sure you can see it right there in the middle. It's really on the neighbor's yard, so we'll have to figure that out. But we got our lot taken care of for now, and yeah, so everything kind of turned out well. Got all the trees and shrubs and grass and all that out of the way. Now we just got to maintain it until we get ready to start our build, and I'll be sure to update you guys as we move forward. But the next thing will be to get it more leveled, and then move into utilities and foundation and all of that. But we got permits for now, so I'll follow up soon. Thanks guys.